Hi guys, welcome back. I hope all is well and everyone's having a great day. Today I have a flip through for you. This is Gentle Nature by Karlon Douglas. I bought this book back in December, but I never got around to a flip through. So yeah, 2 months later I'm doing a flip through on this book, but this is an awesome book. I really love it. And the book reminds me a lot of Karolina Kubikowska, if I'm pronouncing her name right, books, which I've recently ordered a few of her books. I'm just waiting to receive them. But I love this line art. I love this book. I highly recommend this book. And if you can't afford the Karolina Kubikowska books, this is the second best thing. This is really the second best thing. This book is only $6.99, I think. Maybe $5.99. The link will be below, so check out the link. I appreciate when you use my links. Let's take a look at this book. I love this. Absolutely love it. As you guys know, I have been a Karlon Douglas fan for a long time. I have so many Karlon Douglas books. And I decided to buy this one back in December. Absolutely love this book. It's on the Amazon type paper, but it is single-sided, so you can get away with using water mediums. Just don't saturate your paper. You know, use your water sparingly, but you can also use alcohol marker because it is single-sided. But I love this book. I love the small pages. Cute one, cute little kitty. I like that. It's a fun page. I hope he come out with more of this book, like more of this style book. I really like it. I like dark line art, as you all know. The little bunny. Is that a bunny or a cat? That's a cat. Really cute. I think this is a page that I would like to do. Oh, look at the ladybug, so cute. Do 2 pages? Yeah. I'm trying to skip a page. Oh, look at the fruit. That's nice. that's a cute one with the fish. Really cute. Pages. Ooh, I like that one. Really like that one. Spring, that's a nice page. Oh, that's a cool page. I really like that one. Really nice. Nice. All of them are really nice. I guess you could just say I like the book. Because I'm liking just about every illustration in this book. And I love the little kitty. That's nice. I like that. Oh, I like all of them. I love his books. I think Dream World was my first book by Karlon Douglas. It was last year. I think 2020, maybe. Late 2020, because last year was 2021. Yeah, late 2020, I think I got Dream World. And I've been a fan ever since. Been a fan ever since. And I used alcohol marker. These are just duplicates. We're still gonna flip through them. But I used alcohol marker on Dream World, and it came out amazing. It was amazing. This is an amazing illustration. So we're just gonna flip through fast because we've seen all these, but we're gonna just take another look. It's nice with the frame. Nice. Guys, the link to this book will be below, so check it out. I appreciate when you use my links. It helps fund the channel and help me buy more books, more supplies. So I really appreciate it. And it's at no extra cost to you. I love this one. And that is it. And this is another book, Women of the Earth. Check it out. Black River Art and Karlon Douglas. Guys, this is Gentle Nature. I highly recommend this book. Check it out. The link will be below. Have a good day.